Hey, good evening. So, I will start with the second part of the analysis. And in this part, I will be, covering upon the job line, what you can expect in your job, and, how the progress, how the overall fortune would be. I'll be discussing that. Now, in your case, the job line starts right from the center of the palm, right? This is called as the Mount of Ketu. It more or less indicates that you're a very self driven sort of a person. Also, a lot of your drive is driven by spiritual intent because this is also called as the Mount of Ketu. In Hindu palmistry, it's considered a planet of spirituality. Ketu was always known for bringing in a lot of spiritual insights, a lot of spiritual success to the person. And your job line seems to be starting from there, which means a lot of success in your job is dependent on your spiritual growth, which means that the more the lessons you learn in the spiritual realm, the more progress you will get in your job. Also, starting from the center of the palm, it generally indicates towards a person who's fairly competitive. So, you will be a sort of person who's very, very competitive, who understands how to grow in the job, right? So, a good amount of individuality and competitiveness is seen whenever the job line is starting from the center of the palm. Now, looking into the job line, it goes well. We see another line coming in from the Mount of Moon, and this can indicate that though your initial interest was in certain direction, but later on in the in the later years, especially post the ages of 24, 25, there is a possibility that you went into some other direction, right? You can clearly see the other line, sort of continuing its path, whereas this line loses its way. This can indicate that probably, though, you were driven into certain sort of a field or certain sort of a, drive or certain sort of a field, but, you developed interest in a parallel field, and that seems to be, taking on more strongly, right? Then I do see that, uh, it sort of bends and, it more or less starts going, if I extrapolate it, it starts going between Jupiter and Saturn. So this does mean that especially from 25 to 35 or so, yeah, approximately, or maybe you can take it from 26 till 35 or so, you will be a very, very ambitious and a very driven person, because more or less the lines are pointing, somewhere between Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter represents a lot of ambition, drive, assertiveness, ability to grow in life, ability to, expand your consciousness and expand your overall, career. Whereas Saturn brings in a lot of maturity, a lot of consistency and stability, and hard work. So I do see a combination of these two energies, um, coming in and, really helping you from 26 to 35. I do see one obstacle line though. You can see this line cutting across, and you can see few more minor lines over here and over here. So one of these major obstacle lines seems to be coming by around the ages of 28, 29 or so. So there is a possibility that from 28 to 30, or around this sphere, or around this timing, you might have faced certain obstacles. There is a possibility of some sort of financial instability coming by in terms of your job. Maybe, what you were hoping for, or the way you were hoping for, there was some sort of an obstacle, and this might have been brought to you by some emotional difficulty. So there is a possibility that around 28 and 30, you might have gone through some sort of an emotional difficulty, and that's where some obstacle was there. So 28 to 30, I do feel some obstacle coming by, and a major one. This might have affected you in certain degree, but the good news is there is an offshoot as well, which means that you would have also made a lot of effort to come out of this difficult or tricky situation. Similarly, I see two more horizontal bars cutting across, one, at or around the ages of 32, and another one coming around the ages of 33 or so. More or less, we can say mid 30s or so. there is sorry, mid 30 to 35, so that is around 30 to 33 or so, there could have been minor obstacles that could have come by, but the major one would have been around 28 or to 30 or so. So this is what I see till or around the ages of 35 or so. Now we'll try to examine what happens post the ages of 35. Post the ages of 35, you can clearly see the lines have started deflecting more and strongly towards the mount of Saturn. And you can see multiplicity of line. It's not only one line, but you can see 4 to 5 lines coming into picture. And all of them are more or less getting deflected towards the mount of Saturn. Now, mount of Saturn, of course, changes the way we look at our job. Earlier, as I mentioned, the lines were going between Jupiter and Saturn, indicating that a good mix of hard work and ambition was coming into picture. But post 35, as the line starts drifting totally towards the mount of Saturn, it indicates that you will start taking a lot of responsibility in your job. And because the lines itself are multiplying, we can see 4 to 5 lines coming into picture. It can indicate towards diversification as well, right? So there is a possibility that you might take up multiple projects, you might take up multiple responsibilities, and there is a strong possibility that 35 to 45 are likely to be very, very busy years for you. You will invest a lot of time and a lot of responsibilities, and that's a good thing. Having a lot of responsibility is a good thing. Probably the higher source or the universe feels that you can handle many things, and that's where you will be given opportunity to handle multiple tasks from 35 to 45 or so. And that's where there are multiplicity of the lines. You can see a step like formation coming by as well. You can see these rising lines coming by, and these are called step formations. And this is a really, really positive and a very, very good sign to have, because it indicates that you might start getting recognition for your work, especially post the ages of 45 till 60. I feel a lot of growth, a lot of recognition. Suddenly you might start climbing a lot of ladders and getting significant amount of success. I clearly see the sun line also being there at a very young age. From the ages of 30 itself, you can see the sun line coming by, which does indicate that you will get significant amount of fame to begin with, or at a younger age, 30 itself. But I do see more strongly this recognition coming by post the ages of 45 or so, where step like structures are seen coming by, and this indicates significant increase in the rank, status, and overall position in life. Again, these sort of branches are tending to go towards Jupiter, which means post the ages of 45 or so, you will again start becoming more and more ambitious, and your growth will be in steps, right? Not like a linear thing, but sudden bursts of growth can happen. I also see a sort of a kite like symbol coming by over here, especially somewhere towards the mount of Saturn. Saturn indicates a lot of hard work and dedication. So there is a possibility that because of your persistent and positive efforts, you might gain a lot of success in terms of your financial endeavors. Right? So that is what I see. Again, more or less, the lines are proceeding towards Saturn, which can indicate that you will do well in jobs that requires consistency, stability, jobs that are having good structure, that are that are very routine driven. These are the sort of jobs you can do well. You might gain success in land related businesses. Buying and selling of land and property can bring in a lot of success as well, right? So this is what I get more or less from the job line perspective. Looking into the hand, you are a very intuitive person, so you would be able to get these intuitive hunches from time to time as to which direction you should go for. I also see a very strong Jupiter mount, so this can indicate some amount of success in managerial field or in leadership sort of field. So you can get into jobs that require leadership or a managerial sort of a role, managing people and leadership sort of roles. I also see multiple lines on the mount of Jupiter, which indicates that you're very, very ambitious and probably probably driven in too many fields, and you need to, relax and probably focus on few things and gain mastery in them, right? So this is what I get from the job line perspective. Tremendous amount of potential because the lines are very sleek, very well marked, and you can see the step like formation. So I do see huge and tremendous potential to gain a lot of success in this lifetime. Of course, there are multiple lifetimes, but in this case, or in this lifetime itself, I do see a lot of positivity and growth. Looking from the heartline's perspective, the heartline talks about our emotions, right? This is called as the heartline. And in your case, the heartline is more or less pointing towards the Mount of Jupiter, which indicates that you're a very ambitious person when it comes to love matters as well. You have huge expectations from the partner as well. You are a sort of person who wants to mentally and spiritually connect with your partner. It's very important for you. I do feel though that there is a possibility that at or around the ages of 24 and 25, you might have got into some sort of an emotional difficulty. So around 24 or 25, some emotional difficulties are possible. Similarly, at or around the ages of 29, again, there are possibilities of some emotional difficulty. But apart from these ages, more or less your heartline looks pretty smooth. So rest assured that, apart from these two ages, more or less you will be fairly sorted in your emotional life. It's a very strong line, very positive line. I do see a branching of this line as well, and that going towards the headline, which I'll come to a bit later. But more or less, nothing to be worried of. Two specific ages you need to be careful of: 24, 25, and 29, 30 or so. Apart from that, emotionally, you are fairly expressive. You like talking about your emotions. You have a certain amount of spontaneity when we talk about your love or your heartline. Now, next we will talk about from the headlines perspective. This is called as the headline. So, I will be covering head and the lifeline in the next part of the video. But yes, just to give you some insight, your headline is fairly independent, which does indicate that you are a very independent person. We'll come to that in a bit more later. Till then, you can go through this analysis, and I'll share you the third part shortly, which will cover the lifeline, headline, the marriage line, and few other indications as well. Till then, take care. Have a brilliant day.